I'm gonna be rich from day trading. I'm 17 years old and I haven't earned a single dime from it online yet. But I've been documenting my whole journey online, and this is week number 20 of trying to get my first payout from day trading. Be sure to check out my other videos right here, and I post weekly on YouTube and daily on TikTok and Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts, so check out my socials down in the description below. Here's a recap of my whole journey so far, and here's a recap of last week. Last week was a very short week. We ended up only trading 2 days because it was Christmas week, and this week is gonna be another short week because we got New Year's Day this week, so we only gonna trade 3 days out the week. But let's go ahead and just get into it. Here's how we ended up making $990 today day trade. So coming in the market open, I really didn't know what price wanted to do. I was just gonna read it and see what it gave me. And price manipulated to the upside. Didn't really sweep London highs, so I knew it definitely wanted to at least retrace halfway up, if not all the way to the London highs. So it came down after it reached over here, kind of swept this low, but it really wasn't a prominent low. So I wasn't really looking for nothing then. And then I saw a strong rejection off of this and a Ferrari gap, which it respected, and then it closed above. And I entered off of that, just targeting this 5 minute Ferrari gap. And we ended up hitting this trade. We didn't even go on drawdown for real, not really too much in drawdown. Good trade, 2 RR. So you can't ask for much more, man. Good trade, good day. And we just gonna look at the markets for the tomorrow and not Wednesday because that's New Year's Day and see what it's hitting on Thursday and Friday. But peace. I ended up taking no trades today. It's because I couldn't find no good setups today, and I really didn't have no bias. Like pre-market, you could see it's consolidating for real. No really big movements, no really good sweeps. And then market opens and price just does whatever this is. And then it does get some good volume to the upside, good volume to the upside. And then it just low key goes downhill. And after that, price starts consolidating. It was no entries. Longs are short. So we just didn't end up trading today. So we gonna trade tomorrow and then we gonna wait until next week because New Year's is gonna be Thursday. We gonna trade on Wednesday, see if we can find a setup, and then see what the next weekend, no, but 2026 is gonna be my year for sure. Here's why we ended up taking no trades today. So today's Wednesday, the last day, basically New Year's Eve, and we was just trying to be cautious and not take any not clean setups because we know the volume is gonna be low because New Year's is tomorrow. So I was just trying to be cautious, and it was just no trades. Price was just consolidating, no good entries to the upside or downside. But we did have a good drawn liquidity to the downside. Asia lows down here. I mean, London lows down here. But did end up getting swept, but there was no entry to it, you know? So we just didn't trade. So I ain't mad at it. So I'm gonna see y'all next week. We're gonna start trading next week. Officially gonna be 2026. And we just keep knocking on force. 2026 is gonna be our year, bro. Well, that wraps up week number 20 of trying to get my first payout from day trading at 17 years old. We ended up only trading 1 day after 3 days that we said we was. And I ain't gonna lie, that was a banger trade. It wasn't a big win, but it definitely was a win. So all we need is one more dub next week to pass this eval account. And then it's officially gonna be 2026, and then this is gonna be my year I get this payout. We've been trading for a little minute now. We on week number 20. And week 25 my limit, man. That's my goal. I'm trying to get a payout before week number 25. But my lesson I learned from this week is that I should always trust in my strategy, trust in my edge, and be discretionary. Like if you feel it, then you should trade it. But not necessarily be greedy, but like it's just a thing like traders have. Like most trades that they feel like they know that's gonna hit, they know it's gonna go in. Like when you shoot a shot in basketball, you know it's gonna go in. Same thing with a trade. When you take a trade, you know it's gonna be a good trade. You know you're gonna win, and that's what I should do more of instead of strictly following strategy, being a robot. You know that kind of sounds wrong in a sense, but at the same time, if you get it, then you get it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me trying to get my first payout. Make sure you stay tuned for next week, week number 21, because I do post weekly. And make sure you subscribe down below, comment down below, like this video, check out my other videos right here, and just peace out, man.